As the Chinese New Year approaches, nearly 100 foreigners from more than 40 countries gathered in Haikou, China, for a celebration to welcome the upcoming Spring Festival.
This event was really amazing. The one activity in which I participated was calligraphy, and I wrote something about China. I wrote 2 sentences. Like first one is 中华是我的第二故乡, and the second one is 我爱中国.
According to the lunar Chinese calendar, 2024 will be the year of the dragon, with the Spring Festival or New Year's Day falling on February the 10th.
My family is also Chinese, so they inform me with everything, and so I follow what they do. Spending time with family, maybe wearing a certain color, a certain time of the year, usually like red. Yeah, usually it's mainly around food and the different types of food on certain days, and so that's been kind of interesting just to enjoy. I like Chinese food a lot, so that's always nice.